Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving deep into one of the most important Windows troubleshooting tools, ipconfig. Whether you're fixing internet issues or learning the basics of networking, ipconfig is often the very first command you'll run. Let's see what it can do with real examples. What is ipconfig? ipconfig stands for Internet Protocol Configuration. It's a Windows command line tool that shows you the details of your network adapters like IP addresses, subnet masks, gateways, and DNS servers. It's not just for checking info, you can also use it to renew your IP address, flush DNS caches, and fix connectivity problems. Basic usage. Let's start with the simplest command, ipconfig. When you type this and hit enter, you'll see something like this. This tells you three important things. Your computer's IP address here, 192.168.1.100. The subnet mask, 255.255.255.0. The default gateway, your router, 192.168.1.1. If your gateway looks wrong or is missing, you'll know why the internet isn't working. Detailed view with divided by all. Now, if you want more details, type ipconfig divided by all. This will show MAC address of your adapter, whether DHCP is enabled, which DNS servers you're using, lease obtained and lease expiration times. For example, this tells us the system is using Google's DNS servers 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. If websites aren't loading, DNS info here is critical. Renewing your IP. Sometimes your system doesn't get a proper IP address from the router. You might see something like, this is called an API-PA address, which means your PC couldn't contact the DHCP server. To fix this, type ipconfig divided by release. This drops your current IP. The screen may show this. Now type ipconfig divided by renew. This asks the DHCP server for a new IP. If successful, you'll see your proper IP address again, like 192.168.1.105. Flushing the DNS cache. Sometimes websites don't load because your DNS cache is outdated. You can clear it with this command, ipconfig divided by flush DNS, and you'll see successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. This forces Windows to get fresh DNS info the next time you visit a website. Real world example. Let's put this into practice. Imagine your internet isn't working. First, you type ipconfig. You see, your IP is 169.254. X. That's wrong. Next, you run ipconfig divided by renew. Boom, you get a proper address like 192.168.1.110. Internet fixed. Still having trouble opening websites? Run ipconfig divided by flush DNS. Now your DNS records are refreshed and you can browse again. Just 3 simple commands can save you hours of frustration. So that's ipconfig in action, your first line of defense in troubleshooting Windows networks. In our next video, we'll move to another powerful tool, netstat, where we uncover what's happening behind the scenes in your network connections. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practical cybersecurity and networking tutorials.